Hello and welcome again to our channel Code by Rack. In this video, we will delve into the world of chatbot and learn how to create a simple chatbot using the Python programming language. Whether you are a beginner or senior developer, this step-by-step tutorial will walk through the process, make it easy for you to grasp the fundamentals of chatbot development. So join us in this exciting journey as we cover the essential concepts tools required to build a simple chatbot from scratch. By the end of this video, you will have the confidence to experiment with more advanced feature how to build a chatbot or a simple chatbot. So let's get started. I will start to import first to install pip install nltk. nltk stands for Natural Language Toolkit, and it's popular Python library used for working with a human language data. So first I have to import nltk and import also chat and reflections. After the importing chat and reflections, we start to build our database or our array in our case, because it's simple chatbot. So we start to declare an array of responses, and the responses will be as a pair. Let's say you have, if you enter for the prompt hi, hello, or hey, the answer of chatbot hello, hi there, hey. Or if you set in the prompt how are you, the chatbot will answer I am good, thanks, I'm doing well. It's about pairing. And now I enter some science related response. If you ask the chatbot what is science, or what is physics, or tell me about physics, or tell me about earth. So it's a regular expression that everything you said before physics, chemistry, or earth, or planet, it's a regular expression, and then they can answer you correctly. Now we start to develop the intelligent tutor function, which is, it's about to make a conversation between the bot and the person they are trying to answer. So the bot start with I am an intelligent tutor, how can I help you? So if your questions was inside the array of responses, then the chatbot will answer you in a clear way. So if the user input is about asking questions, so the chatbot will answer you. Or if you set, let's say, kit, then the program will be exist. Of course, this chatbot here is called REK bot. So it answers you for any questions in the array of responses. Now we'll implement the main, but first you have to download the necessary libraries, the two main libraries. It's about Punkit, the first one, you can do it from nltk, and the second one is the average perceptron tagger. So it's very important to download these two libraries in order for the system to be working properly. Now we have to call the intelligent tutor, and we have to fix the main. So if name equal main now, so and start to save and click to run the code. I will run the code. We have another error about it's to fix from nltk.chat.util. Then I will have another one to miss the 2 points in the if condition. That's fine. Now, and we have to remove the parentheses from the condition if name equal main, and we also need to remove the parentheses from the user input.lower condition. And now it's time to run our system, our script, the chatbot. So after playing the chatbot, it says, hi, I'm your intelligent tutor. How can I help you? Now I can ask you, what is your name? So if this question is in the array where we set the data, so it will return, you can call me ChatGPT. Or if I ask you, how are you? Then it look in the array and it said, I am good, thanks. So it depends on the question we are asking to make some pairing with the answers. So if I talk to him and told seems good, the pair of this answer is glad to hear that. Maybe now I am asking about biology, so it answer about biology because we have a biology pair key in our array of data in the responses array. Then we can ask, give me idea about Earth, and the Chatbot will have to answer all these things. Like I said before, we have a pair for each answer, each question. So if I ask about Earth, they look with the regular expression about Earth word, and then it reply me with the answer. So if I say thank you, they don't have any answer for thank you. So maybe I will have to replace my question or my input, and goodbye. I say goodbye, and then maybe the Chatbot, have a great day. So it's about collecting information. At the end, creating a simple chatbot with responses array is an excellent way to start. As I said, it's a starting point for anyone interested in exploring the world of chatbot development using Python. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on more exciting content related to chatbot development. Thank you for your support and happy learning.